So we will be doing some problem based upon the coding and decoding which we have discussed in the last class, and I gave you the trick for remembering the position of the alphabets in the last class. Now we will be using these tricks in order to solve the following questions. Okay, so I have written down all the positions from A to M and then from N to G. Okay, so M was the middle alphabet in the English alphabets. Okay, and you need to remember the positions in order to solve the questions faster way. Okay, now the first question is, alphabets are written from A to Z, which represent each other in the reverse order, like A is equal to Z, B is equal to Y, C is equal to X. Okay, so if you remember, this is saying A is equal to G, means the A is equal to G, B is equal to Y, C is equal to X. In this manner, alphabets are ordered. Now we have to find how tour would be written. Okay, so we have to find the tour meaning in this fashion. Now you don't have to remember or the write these alphabets in this position. I will be giving you the simple logic. If you apply your logic here, you can see easily that if the A is equal to G, yes, that means A is position 1 and G is position is equal to 26, then they are summing up to 27. Yes, similarly B is equal to Y, so B is 2 plus Y is Y5, if you remember, 25, so it will be summing up to 27. Yes, similarly C 3 plus 24. So in this manner, all of the opposite letters would be summing up to 27. Now if you need to find the meaning of tour, so similarly you see T is 20. Now the opposite letter or the corresponding letter to the T would be the 7. Yes, because they need to sum up to 27 in the same fashion. Now if you know the G is 27, G is the 7, so then they will be summing up to 27. Okay, so the corresponding letter to T would be G. Similarly, corresponding letter to O. Now if you remember, office, O means 15, that means the remaining would be 27 minus 15, which is 12, and 12 for the alphabet position of the 12 is simply the, what is it, this is L. Yes, and for the U, now U is 21, so remaining is 27 minus 21, which is 6. Now if you remember, fix the 6, so F is for 6. Yes, it is for 12, it is for 7. Now remaining is R. If you remember, rat, R is for 18, so the remaining would be 27 minus 18, which is 9. Yes, and 9 is I. If you remember, I know, that means I. So in this manner you can find out what are the positions corresponding to tour. Okay, so the answer would be G, L, F, Y. This would be the answer. So now we solved this question in the faster way because we remember the positions of the alphabet. Okay, so that's why I gave you the trick. Okay, now solve the next question. Let's go to the next question. The question is, now you are given the coding. Okay, you need to decode the certain words. So the question is, if TCP means drink fruit juice. Okay, so let's write this. TCP means drink fruit juice. Okay, so this is the one coding decoding pair we have given. Second is C ki li means juice is sweet. Okay, let's write it. C ki li means juice is sweet. Okay, and you are also given li ri mi means he is intelligent. Okay, let's write it here. Li ri mi means he is intelligent. Okay, intelligent. Now these are the three pairs you are given. Now you have to find the word meaning of sweet in this manner. Okay, now, okay, that is fine, you are given this pair, but each word is not correspondent to each other. Okay, this need not be the true. Okay, now in order to find the solutions for this type of question, you have to find the common words between the two pairs. Okay, so if you see the drink, so let's compare these two pair. Okay, in these two pair you can see the drink fruit juice. Okay, and there is also juice is sweet, so juice is common to both of these pair. Yes, now if the juice is there in these English words, then correspondingly there should be a word in the T, C, P and the C, K, L, which should be the common to both of these pair. Yes, because the juice is common. Now you can see what is the word which is the common. You can see C is the common between these two. Yes, so we can say the C is correspond to the juice. Yes, because this is the only common between the both pairs. Okay, now if you compare these two pairs, you see he is intelligent, but here is the drink fruit juice. So we do not have any common word. Okay, so we cannot relate any two words. Okay, let's try to relate these two words. Okay, you can see is the common between these two words. Okay, and just find out what is the word common between these two. So you can see li, ri, mi and si, ki, li. Li is the common between those two words. Okay, so that means is correspond to the li. Okay, because the age is the common between these two pair. So let's say 1, 2 and 3. So between the 1 and 3rd, age is the common. So and between the li, ri, mi, si, ki, li, so li is the common, so age would be correspond to the li. Now we have to find the meaning of sweet. Okay, so we have found the meaning of juice, we have found the meaning of key. Okay, so juice is correspond to the C. Okay, so this pair have been found out. Okay, juice is correspond to C and age is correspond to the li. Okay, so this is the pair. So remaining is sweet, so sweet would be correspond to the key. Yes, so sweet would be correspond to the key. So answer is key. Okay, so answer for this question would be key. Now, so these type of the question, you just need to find out the common words between the given two pairs, and correspondingly word you will be easily getting. Okay, so these are the two types of question you will be getting in the exams mostly, but there are many types of question you can find out. Okay, so just solve the as many as questions you can do. Okay.